So the first one is really for the both of us. Why real estate as a business, as a primary investment vehicle?
Right. So, you know, too often people tell me why do I answer a question with the question? And it's always why not. You know, maybe it's the law of averages, but it's just like a washing machine. It's wash, rinse, repeat. You do it over and over again. Why reinvent the wheel? We don't need to reinvent the wheel. If we see that the most successful people in the world, if the core of their business or the core of their success, the core of their family wealth is based around real estate, why would I not, why would you not mimic the same thing? So that's what we aspire to do, and that's what we've done. There's no reason to not grow that exponentially over time. From when we started way back in 2001, 2002, to the Capitol Heights and the Palmer Parks of this area to now.
Lovely downtown.
Lovely downtown Capitol Heights. And it's funny when people tell us Capitol Heights doesn't have a downtown, or tell Capitol Heights mayor that.
Right.
To now Mount Pleasant, and Capitol Hill. You know, who would ever thought that we could build that kind of wealth? But it all starts and ends with real estate. So that's the why real estate. You know, even if you look at the big, I mean, look at our president now. I mean, how did he be able to, how was that guy able to become president? Because of real estate. I mean, that's it. There's no other reason, there's no other way he could have gotten where he is if real estate was not at his core. Because how else would you know him? I mean, you could say maybe because of his TV show, but how did he get that TV show?
Man, I just had like a brain fart. I'm sitting up here thinking, Barack Obama was in real estate? I forgot all about the one right now. But he
is too, though. But he is too. I mean, they actually showed his taxes. He is too. I mean, he's got some sick house in Mount Pleasant, just like us. I mean, his is worth a lot more.
I'm sure.
But I mean, the same thing. He is as well. But I'm speaking to the current president.
Right.
He got to where he got because of where he started.
Okay.
And it's all based on real estate. It's owning real property on the land of where we live. So why would we do anything different? And what we're trying to get other people to see is, why should they do anything different? Why not do the same thing right where you live?
Right. So I'm going to put another little spin on that. For our listeners out there, I used to be a financial advisor on the stocks and investment side. And so the stock market, from almost a month ago, I did July 17, 2019, the Dow opened at 27,320, .91, 27,320.91, and yesterday it closed at 25,886.01. So it was down 5.25% in the last month.
Okay.
If you're sitting on 300,000 in your retirement account and you were about to retire, you now have a little under 285.
Okay.
Did I do that math right?
All right.
Yeah, a little under 285. I mean, it sounds like maybe a little bit of money compared to the 300, but that's $15,000.
Right.
Poof, it's gone just like that. You needed to cash out that 300, you can no longer do that. You cashing out 285.
Right.
So one of the reasons I prefer real estate over other investments such as the stock market is its predictability. Like, once you get into that 30-year fix with a good rate, you already know what your debt on that thing is going to be for the next however many years. It's tangible. You can go touch it. You control it.
Yep.
You know what I mean? You're just not watching the earnings report, seeing what happened with the stock that you don't control, right? So, and there's many different tax advantages with real estate also.
Yes, sir.
So being able to touch it, predictable, and tax advantages, those are reasons I like it.
All right.